Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We are back outside of CVS to do our second haul for this week. If you missed the haul I did on Sunday, it will be linked below in the description box. We have even more deals that we are going to do, some new Ibotta rebates that popped up that we are going to take advantage of as well. So if you want to see how many ways you can save at CVS and some additional freebies that you can grab, stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any easy deals that you can do each week. We did get 2 new Ibotta bonuses as well that I posted on my Instagram. So the rebates we do today are going to track towards both of those bonuses, which is amazing. The referral codes for the different apps that I use are linked below. We're also going to be paying with the new Fluz app. Not that the app is new, but it's new for me using it. So we are gonna pay our final out-of-pocket cost with gift cards from the Fluz app. That way we can get additional cash back on any final balance we have after rolling our extra bucks. So stay tuned, I'll let you guys know exactly what to do, how to do it, and how to use Fluz. My referral code for that is linked below as well. There's also a printable breakdown, as always, in my haul videos. So you can take it with you, see if you have the same digital coupons and the same CRTs. There are printable coupons as well that are going to be linked in that document for you too. Make sure you print them before they disappear. Completely free to print. They usually have an expiration date of like 2 to 3 weeks. So you never know when you're going to want to use those coupons, but they could come down before they expire. So you don't want to miss out on those. So let's go inside and start taking advantage of these amazing deals. So let's start off with some oral care deals. What you can do is grab this large 1 liter bottle of Crest Scope. They are $3.99 this week, and when you buy 2, you'll get a $3 extra back. The deal is a limit of 2. So what you can do is grab 2 of those. Use 2 of these $1 off 1 coupons we got in our January PG insert. They do expire on Saturday, and it is a limit of 2, so using 2 is completely fine. Then if you have a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, definitely use that as well. You'll wind up paying $3.98, getting back a $3 extra back, making it 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. Now for an amazing deal on Colgate. They are $3.49 for select varieties, and when you buy 2, you'll get a $3 extra back. This deal is a limit of 2 as well, says it right there. So we're gonna max out this deal and do it twice, grabbing 4 of them. There are $1 off 1 printable coupons completely free. It will be linked below to print. There is also this $1 off 1 digital coupon, and we got coupons in our 1-3 insert. So however you want to combine it, you're going to use 4 coupons. Then if you have a 3 off of 12 Colgate CRT, definitely add that with this deal. You'll wind up paying $6.96 out of pocket. Then you're going to get back a $6 extra back, because for every 2 you buy, you're going to get a $3 extra back, and we're grabbing 4 of them. That makes your final cost 96 cents for 4 of them, or 24 cents each. A nice freebie that we're gonna grab is gonna be these CVS Advanced Floss Picks. So I'm gonna grab 1 of these. They are $2.09. Then this CRT is glitching and working on this product. You're also gonna get 20% off if you have a CarePass membership. It shows it's for health brands, so this one should work. Regardless, it'll either be 9 cents or it should be completely free, which is awesome. Always check your CRTs. If there's a new CRT that you don't know how to use it, send it to your card, then click shop this deal. It'll pull up all the different items that CRT will attach to. And if you need more information on how to coupon at CVS, head over to my website, breecouponqueen.com. Go to the Newbie Start Here tab, and there is a video on how to coupon at CVS. Some more hair care deals that you can grab is 2 of these Garnier Fructis. They are 2 for $7. We do have a $4 off of 2 coupon, or I'm sorry, a $3 off 2 coupon from our 1-3 Retail Me Not, making your final cost $2 each. You can also grab these Garnier Whole Blends. They are also 2 for $7. We have a 4 off of 2 coupon from our 1-3 Retail Me Not separate coupon. Makes your final cost $3 for both, or $1.50 each. If you have a hair care CRT, of course, you can add that in with some of these deals to make it even better. There's also a great razor deal. So this deal I actually did on Sunday. I forgot to videotape it. So what you can do is grab these Schick disposable razors at $7.99. I had a $4 Schick Extreme CRT. So I used that with this deal, paid $3.99 out of pocket, got back a $2 extra back, making it just $1.99. Now we're gonna grab some Eucerin lotion. So select Eucerin and Aquaphor, or spend $20, get a $10 extra back. I'm gonna grab one of these skin calming creams here, and I'm gonna grab a daily hydration for $10.79. That'll bring me to $20.58. We have these $2 printable coupons that will be linked below for you. So you're gonna go ahead and print 2 of these. The limit is 4 coupons that you can use. So 2 would work fine. Then I have this $2 off of 6 Eucerin or Aquaphor lotion CRT that I'm gonna be using. And I have, if this will focus, come on, there we go, a 2 off of 10. I'm allowed to use both of them because 10 plus 6 is 16, and we're spending $20.50 on the products. That's why I can use 2 spend amount CRTs. So that's gonna take off $8 in total. We're gonna pay $12.58, get back a $10 extra back, making it just $2.58 for both. Here is an easy freebie and moneymaker that anyone can do. Maybelline is buy any 2, get a $5 extra back. So we're gonna come down here and grab 2 of these single eyeshadows. They're $4.39 at my store. So we're gonna grab 2 of these. Then we are going to use 2 printable coupons, again, completely free, for $2 off of 1. I'm gonna be left to pay $4.78 out of pocket, but then I'm gonna get back a $5 extra back, making it free and a 22-cent moneymaker. Remember, you can always roll extra bucks, pay with extra bucks, and you'll still get them back, which is awesome. Another makeup deal you can do is on Revlon. So when you spend $12, you'll get a $4 extra buck. This deal is a limit of 1. So I'm gonna come down here and grab one of these mascaras. I'm gonna do the Blackest Black. I like dark mascara. It's $9.79. Then I'm gonna come over here and grab a Candid Concealer. And these are $10.79. Some stores are a little cheaper, it just depends. And we have coupons that we can use. Again, printable. I know most of these are very beginner friendly with printable coupons. We have a $4 off 1 Revlon face, super high value. And we have a $3 off 1 Revlon eye. Then I also have this $4 Revlon CRT is an instant coupon that will print for everyone at the red box, so make sure you go there first. And finally, I have a 5 off of 20 Revlon Cosmetics CRT. So total for these products is gonna be $20.58. After all those coupons and CRTs, I'm gonna be left to pay $4.58, get back a $4 extra buck if my math is correct. That'll make our final cost 58 cents for both of them. This will track towards CVS Beauty as well, and when you spend $30 on beauty products, you'll get another $3 beauty back. So we are almost there. Then we're gonna grab some Dove. They're not tagged at this store, but they're 2 for $8. Buy 2, get a $2 extra back. We have these 3 off of 2 coupons from our 1-3 Retail Me Not insert. So you're gonna wind up paying $5 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $1 back each. That'll give you back $2. Then you're gonna get the $2 extra buck back, making your final cost $1 for both, or 50 cents each. Always scan this receipt as well to fetch rewards for bonus points on Dove. Now we're gonna stock up on some baby wipes. So they're not tagged in store, and when you check on the app, it doesn't tell you, but if you use your phone and you go to cvs.com and pull it up, it'll show you here that they are spend $15, get a $5 extra back. They are $3.29 each. So we're gonna grab 5 of them. The 20% off Care Pass should come off as well. And I have this 5 off of 15 CRT for Health Brand baby care products. So we are gonna wind up paying $8.16. Then we are gonna get back a $5 extra buck, making it $3.18 for 5 of them, which I think is an amazing deal. Remember, when you're doing any kind of 20% off for the Care Pass or any 20% off or percent off CRT, it takes the percent off after you use extra bucks. So our final cost is gonna be a little different. I'll show you in the truck on my receipt how it winds up working out. Now we're gonna put together our gift card deal. For spend 30, get a $10 gift card. We're gonna grab these Tide Pods here. They are 35 count for $11.94. We're gonna use a $3 coupon from our January PG insert, and I have this 3 off of 10 Tide or Gain CRT that we are gonna be adding to this deal. The other deal we're gonna grab is this one. It is the Age Perfect Moisturizer. It's $21.49. We have this $2 L'Oreal Skincare digital coupon, and I have a 5 off of 15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care. I also have a $6 Age Perfect CRT. It did print and I can't find it, so I tried to send it to my card. I don't know if it's still gonna come off, but let's go over our final totals if it comes off. So this is my gift card deal. Total for these is gonna be $31.43. After all of our coupons and CRTs, we would pay $12.43, get back a $10 gift card, making it $2.43 for both, which is amazing because this is a huge thing of Tide Pods. So let's go check out and see how our transactions go. I'm also gonna grab another one of these all. They're not included in the deal, but we got $2 coupons from our 1-3 insert. That's gonna make a pack just 99 cents. Here's an amazing deal you can do on feminine care. So You by Kotex is buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and they're 2 for $8. We're gonna buy 2 of the Click Compact tampons. We have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and we're gonna submit it to Ibotta for $1 back each, giving us back $2. Then I have a 3 off of 3 feminine care and tampon CRT. So we are gonna come over here and grab one of the cheapest panty liners from CVS, which is this one right here. It's $1.49. That way the 3 off of 3 CRT will come off. So let's go over our total for this deal. So these are the 3 products for the deal. Total is $9.49. After all of the coupons, we are gonna pay $3.49, get back a $2 extra buck, and submit to Ibotta for $2 back on the Click tampons, making it free and a 51-cent moneymaker. Great, great deal. Okay, so we're back in from CVS. I did 2 separate transactions. Everything went great. The first Fluz gift card that I tried to use, she scanned it wrong, and then I lost service. So I did have to pay cash out of pocket for the first transaction. But the second transaction, I just used that same Fluz gift card, and that way I got the cash back as well. So another great option, especially if you are a beginner at couponing. A lot of times I'll use a Fetch Rewards gift card because it's free. I'll use the points that I have, but if you're new to couponing or you don't have a ton of points on Fetch Rewards, Fluz is another amazing option and you're getting cash back on it. So I want to share with you guys my receipts, then I'll give you a little tip for how to really maximize getting your cash back from Fluz. Okay, so first transaction I did, everything turned out so well. I'm so excited. Okay, so I got the Dove. Come on. That 3 off of 2 coupon wouldn't scan for these for some reason, so I don't know what was going on with that, but they were included in the deal because you see the 2 for $8, so they were included. Then, so it got weird. She had like price modify it, so it got a little weird. Got the 2 Maybelline, and I did the Eucerin and Revlon on this transaction. Gave her all of the coupons. Then we have the 5 off 20 Revlon, $4 Revlon, 2 off 10 Eucerin. The 2 off of 6 Eucerin shows that it's working right here. I think she double scanned it because she handed it back to me and she said it wouldn't work. she was like, oh, I don't think you can use both, da da da. And I was like, okay, that's fine. So I took it back, but it wound up working. So I think she just double scanned it is what happened. Then I used my $10 Care Pass and a $6 Beauty Buck from what I did on Sunday. So if you haven't seen my Sunday haul, it will be linked below. Even more amazing deals and tons of hair care deals on my Sunday haul. So final cost was $13.48. So what you would do, go to the Fluz app, search for CVS. I'll show you how to do it in just a second. Then you're gonna type in the $13.48 and get a gift card for that amount. The maximum you can get back is $3.50, which is 35% of $10. So the tip for you guys, what I would recommend is to get 2 separate gift cards. One for $10 using the 35% voucher, you will get back $3.50. Then get a separate gift card for $10 again, and you'll get back $3.50 on that, and you can use that remaining gift card to pay off the other $3.48. Roll the rest of that gift card in your second transaction. So the benefit with Fluz is when you sign up with the code below in the description box, you will get 3 35% vouchers. So 35% cash back, tons of stores you can choose from. I just chose CVS, of course, because I shop here all the time. And this week I shopped here twice. So amazing, amazing. I will be doing a separate video on Fluz by itself coming up. So stay tuned for that. If you do have any more questions or anything, of course, you can always drop a comment, let me know. Then my second transaction, I did everything else. So the You Buy Kotex, the All, the Spend 30 deal, all of those wipes, which was amazing. Love that. Okay, so manufacturer coupons, the $3 Kotex digital came off, L'Oreal Paris $2 digital. The $6 Age Perfect came off, which is amazing because it was printed, like it said printed on the CVS app. So I clicked it, send to card anyway, just to hope and pray it would come off, and it worked, it came off. So that's awesome because I lost that CRT, I didn't know where I put it. 5 off 15 CVS Health for the baby care, L'Oreal Care, 3 off 3 feminine care, 3 off 10 Tide, and $2 Live Better charcoal. That was for that floss. Rolled a bunch of extra bucks and then see the 20% Care Pass. So this originally was taking off like $2.67, but because I rolled so many extra bucks, it's now gonna take off 20% of the final cost of those CVS products, if that makes sense. But that's okay, it's another 44 cents of savings. Final cost, $9.33. I used the first gift card that I'd gotten from Fluz because she had like scanned it wrong, and then I ran out of service, so it wouldn't work. So I had to like shut everything down. I was like, never mind, I don't want to stand here forever. So I just paid the first one with cash, pulled up that gift card again. It wound up working for me to pull it back up, and then she used it. So that was great. Wound up getting back $3.50 cash. Then I submitted both of my receipts to Ibotta, got back $4 cash total, 2 for the Dove and 2 for the You Buy Kotex. That's gonna track towards all of the bonuses as well, which is absolutely amazing. So excited about all of these deals, and honestly, my favorite deal today is the baby wipes. I have a baby shower coming up that I'm gonna go to. I'm trying to stock her up as much as possible for her first kid. So if you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with friends and family. Helps my channel so much, and it can help them as well see how easy it is to save. I know a lot of you have reached out letting me know that you really want to buckle down and learn how to coupon this year. So this is definitely a great place to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.